Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. If you've ever built a website using Webflow and wondered, how can I actually get the code for this site and use it elsewhere? You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export all your website's code from Webflow step by step so you can host it anywhere, collaborate with developers, or keep a backup for yourself. Let's jump right in so you can make the most out of your site. First things first, make sure you're in your project within Webflow. Look towards the top left of your workspace, that's where all the main controls are. What you're going to do is locate the icon with three horizontal lines. It's often called the hamburger menu, looks a bit like a mini stack of pancakes. Click on that. This is your gateway to quite a few project options, including the one we need, export code. Once that menu opens, find and select where it says export code. Now this option is usually nestled among other tools like settings or publish. Don't worry if you need a second to spot it, take your time. When you do click on export code, you'll notice Webflow gives you several choices for what you want to export, HTML, CSS, or JavaScript files. These are the main building blocks that make your website function and look beautiful out in the wild web. Now you might wonder, which ones should I choose? In most cases, you'll want all three: the HTML for your structure, the CSS for your styles, and the JavaScript for any interactive parts. Think of it like packing for a trip. You wouldn't want to forget your shoes, shirt, or pants. To make sure you've got everything, just leave them all checked. This ensures your website will look and work the same way when you use the code outside of Webflow. Alright, with your selection made, look for the button that says Prepare Zip. Go ahead and click that. What Webflow is doing behind the scenes here is bundling all your chosen files into a neat little zip package, making it super easy to download and move around. Depending on the size of your project, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if it spins for a bit. Once it's ready, you'll see the option to download zip. Just click that and your whole site's code package will be saved to your computer, usually in your downloads folder unless you've set it elsewhere. And that's it, you now have a portable version of your website's code. You can hand this off to another developer, upload it to your own hosting, or keep it safe as a backup. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Exported code from Webflow is standardized HTML, CSS, and JS, but any Webflow-centric features like CMS content or form submissions might need extra steps if you want them to work outside Webflow. So always test your exported files after uploading them somewhere new. And there you have it, a full run-through on how to export your Webflow website code in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future web design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.